So here I'm going to show you how to place a punched window. Windows are families. They're a type of family in Revit, and they're really straightforward, especially for this class. And they host onto walls. So you can go to Architecture, Window, and if you don't have a fixed window, I'm going to create one for you, or I'm going to upload it to Canvas, but you can also find this in the Imperial Library, and it's probably loaded by default. But anyways, we're just going to be using this fixed family here, and we're probably going to be creating our own types. Now you can choose from whichever one you want, but windows are extremely straightforward. There's a wall here, and you can see basically where it's, you can just place it. And now if you select it, it will give you a few options. It will choose the sort of nearest level and then give you a sill height. You can adjust these things, like changing it to level 3, giving it a sill height of 0. And now if we look at it, this is basically at level 3 with zero offset. There's probably a couple things that you want to change, and always when you're editing the type, just duplicate it and rename it, even if you're going to change like just the material. But we're going to make this a 72 by 72, 6 foot by 6 foot pane of glass. We're going to change this width to 6 feet and change the sash material to like a default. Let's just choose the default wall material so that they match. So that will be default wall. And now you can see that those dimensions adjust when I select the window. It's a 72 by 72. It's at level 3. And again, just as like with walls, you can hit space to adjust whether you want the window to be closer to the outside or closer to the inside. Now this fixed family has basically a setback. You can edit this family, but I wouldn't really focus on this. Let's just put some windows in here and get them to look fairly clean. You can also go to like a ground level, and you can place windows in here. So let's change this to the 72 by 72, and this will choose you have an option for the sill height here, so this will be on the front of the building. So let's zoom over there. There you can see it's 1 foot off the ground. We can also change that to like 3 feet or whatever we want. But that's essentially windows. You can array these, you can copy these. They're super straightforward.